AI research just got a huge upgrade. Cider 5.0 just launched Deep Research Agent, a next-gen AI that acts like a human researcher, scanning the web, filtering unreliable data, fact-checking information, and even building an interactive website for your report. Unlike Google, which gives you random links, this AI thinks, analyzes, and structures your research like a real expert. It's powered by multiple AI models like ChatGPT 4.5, Claude 3.7, DeepSeek, and Gemini 2.0 Pro, making it one of the smartest research tools available. Here's how it can save you hours of work. Step 1. AI researcher at your command. Instead of aimlessly searching, Cider starts by asking intelligent questions, just like a professional researcher. It scans over 100+ web pages, digging deep into relevant sources. It acts like an expert in any field, analyzing academic papers, niche blogs, and industry reports. Step 2. Filters the noise. The internet is full of misleading and low-quality sources, but Cider filters out the junk so you only get accurate and relevant data. It identifies unreliable sources and removes them automatically. Step 3. Highlights key information for you. Reading through hundreds of pages to find what matters? Forget it. Cider makes research effortless by scanning websites and pulling out key sentences related to your topic, highlighting important insights directly on the page. Step 4. Writes a structured, fact-checked report. Finding data is one thing, but turning it into a useful report? That's where Cider shines. It analyzes data from multiple perspectives for a balanced view. It cross-checks facts and removes biased information. It then writes a structured, professional, and fully cited report for you. This means you get a polished, ready-to-use research document in minutes. Step 5. Builds an interactive website for your report. This is where Cider goes beyond anything else out there. Instead of boring PDFs or Word documents, it automatically creates an interactive website for your research. Cider 5.0's Deep Research Agent isn't just another AI. It's a faster, smarter, and cheaper way to do research. Instead of wasting time searching, reading, and compiling, this AI does everything for you, effortlessly. And the best part? It's way more affordable than other AI research tools. Want to try it? Go to cider.ai now and see it in action. What would you use this AI for? Drop a comment below.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up.